Today we're doing a deep dive into the song 第一眼, First Sight. It's written entirely with HSK 1 and 2 vocabulary. But don't let a beginner level fool you. We are going to explore how Chinese culture uses restraint to create more emotion than 1,000 I love yous ever could.
那一天人很多，我走得慢，你在前面。
Look at the first line. 那一天人很多. That day there were many people. It's a simple observation. But then we hit this line. 我抬头看一眼，就在那时，我看见你。In HSK 1, we learned that 见 is the result. You didn't just look into the crowd, you found someone. The song is building a sequence of events, not a list of feelings. In Western pop songs, we often start with how we feel. I'm lonely. I'm excited. But this song starts with the light and space. 光很好. The light was good. In Chinese storytelling, the environment tells the story for you.
风很小，光很好，我抬头看一看，就在那时，我看见你。
Now we reach the most Chinese part of the song. 你的眼睛很平常. Your eyes are ordinary. If you said this to someone in a Western context, they might be offended. We're taught to be unique and special. But in Chinese culture, there is a deep value in restraint. To call someone ordinary, but then say, I remember you, is a massive compliment. It means your connection doesn't rely on a fancy appearance. It's something deeper that only I can see.
你的眼睛很平常，你的脸也不特别，可是我不知道为什么记得住。
There is a phrase in HSK2 that every learner should master. 刚刚好. Literally just good, or just right. This is a very Taoist idea. Life isn't about chasing the biggest, loudest love. It's about timing. The song says, 不是爱，也不是梦，只是那天刚刚好. It wasn't love. It wasn't a dream. It was just the perfect timing. In Chinese culture, we often trust the moment more than the emotion.
只是那天刚刚好，我看见你。
Let's look at one tiny word, 就. In the line, 我就笑了. That little word is doing all the heavy lifting. It means immediately or consequently. I saw you, and then, immediately, I smiled. It shows how effortless the connection was. You don't need a 5-minute guitar solo to show love. You just need one character, 就. The song ends with 世界亮了. The world lit up. It's the only big metaphor in the whole song. After all the ordinary faces and simple words, the payoff is huge.
看见你，世界亮了。
So, what can we take away? Whether you are at HSK 1 or HSK 6, don't rush to the big words. Chinese is a language of layers. Sometimes, the most ordinary sentence is the one that stays in the heart the longest. If you enjoyed this deep dive, check out the full music-only version in the playlist. And tell me in the comments, what is the simple word in your language that carries a big meaning? Until next time, 慢慢走, walk slowly.
我抬头看一看，就在那时我看见你。第一眼看见你我就笑了，不是因为你说了什么，第一眼看见你心很安，好像今天会很好。你的眼睛很平常，你的脸也不特别，可是我不知道为什么记得住你回头看着我，没有名字，没有话。那一刻我知道我想认识你一下。第一眼看见你我就笑了，世界好像慢了一点。第一眼看见你我很快乐，像是走到一个新地方。后来我们一起走，一起坐，一起说话。可是我还记得那天什么都没开始，什么都不需要。第一眼看见你我就笑了，不是爱也不是梦，只是那天刚刚好我看见你，世界